Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you a 1980 Chevy Blazer. It's had a repaint at one time, color change. It was light blue originally. A little fading on that hood. Some of that might buff back. Grill looks okay. Front bumper looks good. Then our aftermarket lights. So just driver quality, that's where you can see that it was light blue before, and obviously when I open the door, you're going to see that too. See, light blue. They put some later model front seats in it, the high backs. Got the original vinyl seat in it. Headliner looks pretty good. Dash ain't bad. Got a crack right there. So just a driver Blazer. Put some aftermarket gauges in it. They're running an electric fuel pump and a cooling fan. There you can see the four-wheel drive console. Looks like they put new carpet in it at one time. A little bit of surface rust on the rockers, but not bad. As far as rust, it's not horrible. Got a little bit of where they did some work here. It's a little bubbling. And then they all seem to rust right down there if they're from up north. A little blister right there, and a little paint peeling off. This is the worst part. This quarter has some more worst rust. This is the worst spot right there, and then right there. But like I said, just a driver. What's kind of cool about this, it's got a 427 in it. So somebody took the original motor out, put a 427. It codes as a 69 model 427 LC. It also could be a 65 396. LC is both years. So, but it looks like with the S and the 200 numbers behind it, probably come out of a 69 Impala 427. We're gonna start up our 80 Blazer here at the fuel pump. It's got electric fuel pump, as you can hear it. 427 in it. Quarter tank of fuel. Blinker to the left. You can see it blinking out there, but the indicator doesn't work. Stereo comes on if we're in a 10 buildings. Has static, so it probably works. There's your aftermarket gauges, aftermarket tack, no horn. Wipers, and then this down here is a cooling fan, radiator fan. And there's your blower motor right there working. In the middle it doesn't work, and below it does work. We did put a new see that there's a rear window going up. Put a new motor on there. I'll show you the lights. She's probably a little cammy. She's got a pretty stout motor, headers. Lights. There you see competition rocker arms. MSD ignition part numbers. So kind of a cool Blazer. Great just driver quality, and got a power plant that you can build off of if you want to take it back to the original light blue maybe, or to whatever color you want. So we just got in a new Blazer here, a 1980. So we're out taking it for a test drive. Seems to run good. Got some pretty good sounding dual exhaust. They've added some extra gauges, as you can see. I don't know, he's got some fan switch, and it says fuel pump 1, fuel pump 2. Don't know what that actually is. We haven't got into it that far yet. We're cruising down the road 60 miles an hour. Gas gauge appears to work. Drives on the road nice. Steering wheel straight. So seems like pretty solid Blazer. It's a 1980 driving a truck. So if you're looking, this is a portable Blazer. So if you're looking for one that's just a driver quality, it runs and drives pretty good, give us a call, 605-695-7391.